Hello everybody. Today I wanted to cut and show you the results of our lovely apricot and coconut soap. I know a few of you have been requesting what it looked like when it was finished, so I thought I'd actually cut it today and pop a video up for you. So this was the soap as it was all finished and came out, and it's time to now cut. So I have my soap cutter. Now because it's got the coconut all over the top, I don't want to just put my wires straight through it because it's going to just drag the surface badly. So I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to cut it this way. Just clean any wires off in advance if they're not totally clean before you start. And just a quick push. And there we go. Get rid of your end cuts. We've got our beautiful, don't they look absolutely lovely? So we've got 4, I could have actually got 5 bars out of this perfectly. We've got all of these lovely soaps right here. I just like to just run over them. You can finish them in a multitude of ways, but to me, that looks absolutely beautiful. I'm really happy with that. If you did make this soap, do send me some pictures. I'd love to see what yours turned out like too. Come and visit me another time where we can do our pantry soap making together. Thanks so much. Bye bye for now.